Kinky Curly Not Today as my leave-in conditioner. And as my styler, I'm going to be using Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Gel. Alright, so you're going to take the first section and you're going to take your leave-in conditioner and apply a generous amount and just apply it to the ends first. And I just work it through at the ends and then I work my way up. So next what we're going to do is we're going to take our gel. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm going to put it at the root. I like to put my gel at the roots first because when you put it at the roots, it helps with movement and also makes your wash and go last longer. So I put mine at the roots first, and then I take it and I'll put it at the ends, and I'll work that in. I'm going to take some more water. For good wash and go, you want your hair to be really wet. I usually just go in and just make sure like all my strands are coated. I'm really heavy-handed. Like I like for my wash and goes to last an entire week, so I make sure that I use like a lot of products. I just continue to do this on the section until I feel like it's to my liking. Now the section pretty much looks how I want it to look, so I'm going to move on to the next section. I'm going to repeat the same steps as I did before. Put a good amount of leave-in conditioner on the section, starting at the ends first, and then working my way up. Spray it down. Take your gel and put it at the roots. And like I said, I put my gel at the roots first to make sure that my wash and go has movement and also that it lasts longer. Because you don't want to have a wash and go with frizzy roots. That's not cute. And then I'll take it and I'll put it at the ends. And then I'll just work it through. Y'all see that spraying back? Yes, honey. The definition crazy. Take my water bottle. And I spray it. And I just combine these sections together. Bam. Bam. I'm going to go ahead and do these other two sections. And I'm going to go ahead and speed it up because I haven't showed y'all how to do it twice in slow-mo. So, alright, here we go. Y'all, now I'm just like making sure I get the top of my head because I do not want my wash and go to be frizzy at the top, so I'm just making sure that I get that. It's gonna be nice and defined. Okay, I'll spray with some more water and break it through some more. Make sure I get on the inside. Alright, y'all, I'm pretty much done. This is the finished result. Alright, so what I do, I air dry. I do not diffuse because diffusing makes my hair shrink up even more, so I just air dry. And to sleep in it, I'll put my hair in 5 ponytails. One right here, one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. But I'll let my hair air dry for at least an hour before I do that. So in the morning, I'm going to come back and check in and show you guys the finished result, okay? Alright, y'all. Alright, guys, this was the very next day. I did fluff my hair out, so there is a little bit of frizz. But other than that, my hair is very defined. The gel was supposed to be elongating, but I did experience a ton of shrinkage. However, I do like the gel. It has a lot of hold, so I know it's going to last me for the entire week. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.